Hi, today I'm reviewing POCO C65 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should click to the switcher. After that, you will see here all of the available networks. Select one from the networks and enter the password. Then just tap to connect button, wait a second. And now we could see that we just successfully connected to our network. Also get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and here you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off. To launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.